A nearby boater rescued the pilot, who was the only person on board. The pilot told deputies he was trying to land at the airport, but undershot the runway and lost airspeed before crashing into the water.
Deputies are asking boaters to avoid the area until the plane can be safely removed.
Alpine traffic, Lancair experimental 124 Gulf Airport, turning final, 13 full stop Alpine. Alpine traffic, Lancair experimental 124 Gulf Hotel, short final, 13 full stop Alpine.
Alpine traffic, Cessna Skylane, 2x2 Gulf here, come up to Star Valley, we're right just about the reservoir, we're making right traffic for 13 Alpine.
Was that traffic in the pattern calling for Alpine?
Say again?
Yeah, I heard a radio call from our ground unit. Was there traffic calling landing at Alpine?
Yeah, we're coming up to Star Valley, we're making right traffic 13. Are you airborne?
Negative. I've got a radio in my house. Just be advised, we just saw some emergency vehicles driving down the runway, so it may be shut down when you get here. I just use caution. There's, as I mentioned earlier, we saw a few vehicles with lights and sirens entering the runway.
Oh, thanks for letting me know. Thank you.
You bet. And the grass strip may be a bit, it may be underwater on the north end.
Okay, thank you. Alpine traffic, Cessna Skylane, 2x2 Gulf here, we're right downwind, 13 Alpine. Alpine Cessna will be flying 131, verified runway is clear when we're making right traffic back in for grass 13 Alpine. Alpine traffic, is anyone on the runway? Because I see vehicles on the runway.
Alpine traffic, maintenance vehicle, entering midfield, going down 3-1.
When there's other vehicles that are on the runway that are not making radio calls.
We got a plane down in the reservoir.
Oh no, okay. You need my help, I'm airborne.
Okay.
Alright, I'll just stay airborne if you need me. I got fuel. You want me to stay airborne?
Maybe, see what you can see.
Oh, I see the wreckage. I got him. There's a boat coming in on the road right now.
That aircraft calling on 122.9 about a wreckage. This is North American 349 Juliet Bravo, about 10 miles north of Alpine. Is any assistance required?
See the aircraft, no one's in the water. No one's in the water. I see the door open. It's the pilot's door is open. The boat coming in right here, a water ski boat that's coming in close. People are in the boat. No one's on the floor that looks injured. It looks to be a single-engine piston aircraft. Come up. No, it's on the bottom. It's not sinking, and the pilot's door is open. Piston engine looks like an experimental, kind of looks like a Cirrus, but with winglets. A 4-seat or something, like mid-wing or low wing.
Hey guys, this is Carl in the Yellow T6. I'm at 10,000 over middle of Palisades. Do you guys need a hybrid for any kind of comms or not?
No, I don't think so. I don't see anyone in the water, but there is a boat circling it down here.
Okay.
Steve, if you need us, you got 2 air cams orbiting the area too.
It looks like the tail number is November 1240 Hotel. 1240 Hotel is the tail number.
Alright guys, this is the T6 at 10,000. I'm going to clear out of your way. Looks like you got it well handled, but let me know if you need anything.
Roger, welcome. I believe it's November 1240 Hotel. Hard to see. Let me low-fly again. 124 Golf Hotel. 124 Golf Hotel. I don't see anyone in the water, but this boat is circling out there. I'm assuming they picked them up, but they don't seem to be in an emergency situation.
124 Golf Hotel shows registered with Thomas Salavenko.
I'm thinking, though, that this boat is circling. They don't look like they're actively on scene. I mean, the pilot could be in the water.
Guys, what about this guy? He's got a couple of air cams sweeping orbit low. Sounds like Steve's down there already here. It looks like it was just short of 1-3 there in Alpine. Oh, okay. Come on, head back in. Yeah, I do think you're turned up about a mile or so behind you on the west side of the reservoir.
Where is the traffic right now? I'm at the base of your final line of 1-3 making circles over the aircraft.
About long final for 1-3, about 5
Roger.
Hangar right at Lakeview Villas.
Say again, Lynn?
Copy.
We're going to have to get a diver on scene, the bottom line of the boat out here.
Say again, James.
I'm going to need a diver or someone get down in the water and see if the pilot's still in the aircraft. I can't see.
The fire department said they had somebody in a boat that they were trying to meet on land.
Yeah, the boat that's circling does not look like they've gone on scene, so I'm assuming the pilot is probably in the aircraft.
I'll be out in a sec.
252 Golf Sierra, flight of 2 air transfer bound for 1-3. What's your type?
Cessna 182, King Cat Mine.
Alright, I just wanted to kind of, we got you here on the scope, just wanted to stay away from you. We're just going to make straight for 1-3.
Roger. I'll stay outside and south.
Where's the airplane down?
It's on, just on final 1-3. You'll see it.
Boy.
The boat in the water right next to it. Green, wake surfing boat.
You know the type?
It's like a low-wing, Cirrus-looking plane with winglets. It looks like experimental piston.
Oh, okay. You're like a Glasser or a Lancer.
Yeah, Lancair, that sounds right. I would say it's a Lancair.
Flight of 2 air transfer, 3.5 miles, final 1-3, full southbound.
Cessna has visual on the air cam. It's a flight of 2?
Yeah, we're a flight of 2.
There's 2 aircraft. I only see one on TCAS.
Oh, okay. I thought he was right behind me, and he's broke off.
Say that behind us, yeah, we're not straight, but maybe it's right now. Probably about a half mile or so.
Number 1-3, grass, Cessna Alpine.
Oh, yeah, we're
Alpine traffic, Cessna is number 2 for 13, final, Alpine.
Door looks open.
It's open, yeah. Alpine Cessna is final 13, grass, Alpine. Alpine Cessna, final 13, grass, Alpine.
And the traffic landed at Alpine, either the air cams or James. Did they clear the airspace, or is it okay to go out and land on the water there?
Just me up here now, Mark, and I'm on final 13, grass.
They didn't tell you to come land, did they?
No. No one told me anything.
All right, I'm going to go take a quick look.
Hey, go ahead. Alpine Cessna maneuvering on the grass strip, 1 for Alpine. Man, people have to keep telling, this is an active runway, and there's people coming down this runway that are not abiding to the rules.
On traffic, magnitude is runway 31.
Alpine traffic, Cessna's back taxiing 31 Alpine. Alpine, Cessna clear, Alpine.
Isaac, are you still up on the radio? And Alpine area traffic, Supercab 29er Lima Golf, departing runway straight out for the reservoir, Alpine. Isaac, you up on frequency?
Hey, Lynn, you on the radio?
Yes, sir.
Who's that?
Mark.
And Mark up in the air as well.
I got you, I'm on the water.
You landed already?
Yep.
Mark, are you by the plane?
Yep.
Is anybody in the plane still, or you don't know?
Haven't checked yet.
Okay, I got Ben with me. If he's got to jump in and help out, let me know.
Okay, give it a few minutes. Yeah.
Lynn, are you on the radio? Do you know if anybody wants to get an EMS out there? Hey, Mark.
Stand by. Oh, I just wanted to make sure that everyone, all the souls on board were accounted for. Have you answered that?
Who did you find out? Did they get out?
It's November. Steven, hang on a second. I'm on line with Bonneville, or with Lincoln County 911. I got to give them a little bit of stuff. We're good. It sounds like everyone is accounted for and ashore at this point. Plane's not going to sink.
Okay, great. That's great news. I'm leaving then. I was just looking if I can help.
No, I think we're good.